everybody. Today I'll be doing a tutorial of an African dance called war dance. Let's get started. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Step and open. Again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Step and open. Let's move on to the second movement. So the second movement is step, back, step, back. Again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Step, 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 step. So now we're going to add hands. So it's going to be step, cross, step, cross. So let's do it more faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. Step, cross, step, cross. 5, 6, 7, 8. Step, cross, step, cross. So now we continue to be step, cross, open. Last time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Step, cross, open, and one. Again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Da, 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 open, and one. Again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Da, 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 open. On the side, open. Ha. Again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Da, 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 open. And open and rock. So now we continue from ba, ba, and we go 1, 2. Again. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, ba, and 1 and 2. Again. So let's start from this side and the other side. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Ba, da, da, and 1 and 2. So let's try it from the top with the music. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Well done. So the next movement is 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. Again. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. So now let's try it more faster. 5, 6, 7, 8, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. Again. 5, 6, 7, 8, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. So now let's add hands. It's going to be 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. Again. 5, 6, 7, 8, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. So let's try it more faster. 5, 6, 7, 8, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. So the next movement is 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. So now let's add hands. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. Again. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. More faster. 5, 6, 7, 8, and da, 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 da. So now we continue with the next movement. So it's 1, 2, and 1, 2. So we're going to do it 4 times. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So let's do it more faster. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 5. Da, 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 da. The next movement is 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Let me face that side. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Got it? So now let's add hands. It's going to be 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. Let me face the other side. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. So the last movement is 1, 2. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, and 2. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, and 2. So now let's do it more faster. 5, 6, 7, 8, 5, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, and 2, and stop. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8, 5, and 5. Again. So now let's start it from this movement until the end with the music. Ready? 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 2, 8, 1, and loose, and back, down, hey. Well done. So now let's start it from the top till the end with the music. Ready? And back, and 1, back, down, and back, 2, 1, back, 2, 1, and loose, and back, hey. This is the end of our lesson. Please remember to like, subscribe, and comment. See you on the next lesson. Goodbye.